Okay, so here's the real magic of using your layers. So as I'm doing this, I've got my Eurydice 2.0 layer on. I wrote a profile for the outside, and then I wrote a labeling for the labels that I've included on this with the VBit. So now I'm finished with this layer. I can turn those toolpaths off so that I don't have to see those. Now I'm going to move on to my next layer and then turn off the layer I just completed. So now for the profile, what I can actually do is I can copy that. So now it's right here, and I'm going to move that down my list. I'm going to rename that as 2.1 profile, because I'm going to write it for a different set of vectors. And so now I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to open it up. These are the vectors I'm selecting for that. And this way I've kept everything the same. The cut depth the same, the tool, all of the rest of the things, tabs. We'll make sure to add those in so we can see those. Yeah, those look good. And so now it's got my ramps applied. Everything else is the same. Again, you could change the name down here if you wanted to, and then calculate. Gives me my message, tells me I'm going to cut it deeper than I need to. You can see my profiles for the last ones, so I'm going to reset the preview, and I'm going to do it that way. Now I've got the new one right there. You can do the same thing with your labeling. You can make a copy, and then send that down your list. And in this case, I won't double click on it. I'll just, well, I'll double click on it. And I'm going to tell it the vectors I want are these, so it can calculate that. I've got it set for 3/1000ths of an inch, so it won't actually show up on the preview. I forgot to change the label, so I'm going to do that now. Oh, I duplicated it. That was wrong. I'll just delete it. So I will rename it, and I will rename it 2.1. And there it goes. And like I said, you won't see that because it's such a fine detail. It does run it, and if you want to see that, just click on those, and there it is.